Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to discuss a very important topic, a crash course of success. Success is peace of mind, which is direct result of self-satisfaction in knowing you made the effort to do your best to become the best that you are capable of becoming. Success is an attitude. To live each moment to the maximum with a positive attitude, smile, and genuine enjoyment for life while loving my family and the people around me and pursuing the plan and dreams that God has planned in my heart. Now, what are the steps, what are the principles you have to follow to get success? The first step is find your goals. You clearly identify your goals. What are your goals? And your goals must be specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. Be aware that you have to satisfy these all 5 conditions regarding your goal. The next step, divide your goal. You can divide your goals in 3 parts: short term, middle term, long term. Because when you planning your goal, once you reach your short term goal, you get satisfied and you get inspired so that you can go to the next one, that is the middle term. Once you achieve the middle one, then you can get the satisfaction to go for the long term. So it is a wise decision that you divide your dreams in 3 parts. Step 3, set a deadline. You always set a deadline for your goal, otherwise you can get success. It will become a fantasy. Deadline for your short term, mid term, and long term goal are required. Step 4, you plan your goal. You plan your goal and make a proper action plan. A perfect and clear blueprint is required, and your action and your plan towards goal will be achieved if you can plan your goals and actions properly. Next, step 5, focus on your goal. You will be very much focused on your goal, and during the execution of your goal, always accept the favorable things that are required to achieve your goal and reject unfavorable. Next, you visualize your goal. You feel you are achieving your goal. You have to visualize your goal. You have to understand that by heart I have to achieve the goal. So visualize your goal regularly, at least once a day, and preferably in the morning. Next step is start from beginning. Whenever you start some new thing, we always tag yourself in the previous experiences and other boundings. So you better start from the beginning and try to implement the experiences from your past so that you can achieve your goal. Ultimately, you can be a successful man or woman. Find a mentor to guide you. It is very important to find out someone who can guide you to reach your goal. But this person should be the person who achieved the same kind of goal with higher moral values. Then this is the ideal person who can guide to achieve your goal. Next one is learn and master the skill. You always improve your skill. Always develop and improve your skill towards your goal so that you can smartly achieve your goals. Implement your own ideas. Always try to implement your own things. Never try to copy from others. Okay, so do something innovative and implement your ideas in your goal. Next one, be consistent and always think success. Always be consistent to your action, and you action regularly and divide it in different parts so that you can easily achieve your success. Step 12, never give up until you succeeded. You never give up your goals until unless you reach. So create a mentality or attitude that you never give up until unless you reach your goals. There is no hidden secret to success. Success is a step by step journey. It does not matter you are striving for a short goal like a mastered skill or to attain good professional progress, or it may be the aim of your life, and as you strive for it, never quit until you make it happen. Give your best and expect the best return of your efforts. So if I summarize the all things of success, we can say find your goals first, then divide your goals, then set a deadline, then plan your goal, then focus on your goal, then visualize your goal, then start from the beginning, then find a proper mentor, then please learn to master the skill, implement your own ideas always, be consistent, think success, then and finally never give up until you get the success. Thank you, friends. This is the lesson I have to tell to you. Now, if you feel this information is helpful, you can share our channel, you can make comments, and this video is made on a personal opinion. So if you want to comment something, you are gladly accepted to give some comment in your comment box.